Pertama kali ketemu sama Zerin itu tahun 2012 waktu matrikulasi.
September 2012 kami jadian. Itu pas saya ngeliat senyumnya ya, situ saya langsung jatuh hati sama Mega itu.
Allah kasih kehendak bahwa kita berjodoh, alhamdulillah.
Saya nikahkan Ahmad Zain dengan anak saya Mega Fitria Isawati dengan mas kawin emas 26 gram dan perangkat alat sholat dibayar tunai.
Saya terima nikahnya Mega Fitria Isawati dengan mas kawin emas 26 gram dan perangkat alat sholat dibayar tunai.
It's always been you, my love. I'll be yours until the sun dies, till the stars fall from the blue sky. All my days, love for a lifetime. You'll be the tide, I'll be the sea. The rise or fall brings you home to me. Brings you home to me. Oh, it's always been you, love. It's always been you I love. Oh, it's always been you I love. It's always been you, love. We opened the sky, pulled down the moon, we saw through the dark, and we found the truth. I found you. It's always been you, love. It's always been